right, Santa. This is what I want for Christmas. This is my list. And I want everything on here. And you better check it twice. And I want you to check my list. Because they say you check it twice. All right, I'm going to start off with the small stuff. And then I'm going to get into the bigger stuff. But this is everything I want for Christmas, Santa. And you going to give it to me?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. You've been a good boy.
I've been a good boy all year.
Well, you're going to get everything you want. Everything you desire. I promise you. You're going to be everything you want.
Quit lying, Santa. You better not be lying to me.
I'm not lying.
Okay. This is what I want. Okay, I want to start it off. I want a 1972 C10 Chevrolet pickup truck with 28-inch rims on it. All right. I want a 1962 Ford Galaxy 500 four-door hardtop with 24s on it. I want a 1967 Mercury Cougar convertible with 22s on it. I want a 1973 convertible with 26s on it. I want a 1973 Coupe de Ville Cadillac with 26s on it. I want a 1975 Nova with 22s on it. I want a 1975 Caprice Classic convertible with 26s on it. A Louis Vuitton top, Louis Vuitton interior, 6 TVs. I want a 1975 Caprice Classic four-door hardtop with 26s on it. Louis Vuitton interior, TVs, Louis Vuitton paint job. I want a 1975 Eldorado Superfly Cadillac convertible with 26s on it with the Superfly headlights. And I want it all white, cocaine white, white on white. And I want it white and with the white rim with the bullhorn Cadillac sign on it. I also want a 1978 Camaro with 22s on it with the pipes coming out the back with the Chevy sign, you know? And I want a 1978 Buick Regal with 26s on it. I want a 1986 Grand National with 26s on it. And I want a 1978 Caprice Classic Latitude with 26s on it. And I want a 1978 Buick LeSabre two-door coupe hardtop, 26s on it, canary yellow, white and yellow interior, gutted out with small yellow 26-inch rim. You know, that's what I want. Now that's the old school. Now I want to get into my good shit. Now, I told you I was going to bring the little shit first, then I'm going to bring the big shit. All right, Santa, this is what I want. I want a 1973 Beetle convertible. And I also want it matching. I want matching paint. I want snagger puss on the hood. And I want a 1973 Beetle, and I want a 2007 Beetle convertible. Yeah. And I want them painted the same color. White, interior, Louis Vuitton, with Louis Vuitton paint job. Yeah, I want both of them convertibles. All right. Now I want to get into the newer stuff. This is the bigger stuff, Santa, but you got it. You can do this. I want a 2012 custom-made Zooraggy. You know what a Zooraggy is, Santa? That's that car R. Kelly was driving around. You know, that blue car. I want that car. I want a 2012, though. Okay? And I also want a 2012 custom Tahoe limo. It's like a limo. It looks like a Tahoe, a regular Tahoe, but in the inside, it's gutted out. And it's made by Lexini and the Lexini company. And they gut it out, you know? And I don't want Lexini. I want to put a shotgun on it. You know? That's what I want. That's what I want. Okay? And now we're going to get into the good one. Now, you can go down, and I want you to go get me a 2012 Mercedes-Benz AMG S550. On the front, I want 24-inch rim, and on the back, I want 26-inch rim. Then I want you to go get me a 2012 SLK AMG. On the front, I want 22s, and on the back, I want 24s. Then I want you to go down the street to the Maserati dealership and pick me up candy apple green. I want a green Maserati 2012 with 24s on the front and 26s on the back. Then I want you to go down the street to the Chevrolet dealership, and I want you to get me a 2012 Camaro Z28 with the Corvette package. convertible with Louis Vuitton interior, Louis Vuitton top, white guts, burnt orange, with 22s on the front and 24s on the back. Then I want you to get me a GMC 3500 Denali Dually truck with 28s on it, lifted up like a big boy truck. Then I want to go get, you can skip over, you can just tell them to go online and order this too while you at the Chevrolet dealership, because Chevrolet deal with Cadillacs. And go get me a 2014, I want you to go 2 years up. Give me a 2014 Cadillac Escalade, because they going to change the game when they pull out that motherfucker. I want that Escalade. You ain't got an Escalade unless you got that 2014. When that new Escalade come out, whoever got this new shit riding around talking about they got a 2012, a 2011, man, that ain't shit. Escalade done changed the game. They done fucked up everybody. Then I want you to go online. This place online that I want. And they sell houses, custom made. And my house is cheap. I wanted, it's called a dome house. It looks like a little igloo, like they live up in the North Pole, but it's made out of cedar wood. And it blends in the country, so you can put it in the woods, and it blend in between the trees because it's made out of cedar. So I want to be able to, I want you to find me a nice piece of property and find me a lot of cedar trees and build me one of those dome houses, like a 4,000 square foot one. That's all I need, like 4,000 square feet. Yeah, about 4,000. It really don't need, 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms? No, 3, because I'm going to make 2 of my bedrooms like, personal rooms. It's going to be like a guest room, my man cave, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to have my master bedroom. Ain't nobody going to live there but me and a bunch of women coming in and out all the time. I want like 6 stripper poles everywhere. I want poles all through the house. I want big screen TVs all through it, I got to have good marble floors and marble. I don't want the granite countertops. I want marble countertops. Just some nice, to match out what's going on with some stainless steel, nice stainless steel, inside kitchen, I want nice stainless steel appliances. And then in the backyard, I want you to build me, you got to build me a garage for all my cars, so I need at least about 24, a nice garage that'll hold like 24 cars, And I want one boat. Yeah, I need a boat. I need 2 Sea-Doos, the little sea crabs. I need that. And I want that new motorcycle, the Can-Am. Yeah, I got to get that. The one with the 2 wheels on the front. Matter of fact, I want that, and I want to put some 22s on the front of it. And then I want to get a Harley-Davidson chopper. I think that'll be it. If I get a Harley-Davidson chopper chopped out, black and chrome, I think that'll be it. With Snaggerpuss all over it, airbrushed all in it. You didn't see nothing but a big Snaggerpuss sign, I think that'll be it, Mr. Santa Claus. If you can answer this wish list for me, then I get all this stuff, and I get rich and famous, I get all this stuff, and I can go to the Playboy Mansion and bring me some girls back, go get me a white girl, and, white girls is what makes turn brothers on, white girls do it all, you can't get a sister to do it all. Yeah, they don't know how to play the cards right, So I don't give a fuck. I'm going to do it like the California way. I want to be a California nigga anyway. That's why I came out here. I'm trying to erase the Mississippi mud off me, and change my life the California style, become a TV talk show host. I think one day you might see me hosting The Price is Right or some shit like that, Yeah, I think I can do that. Come on down to The Price is Right, You just got the motherfucking price right. Shit. Well, anyway, Santa Claus, after you answer my prayers, I'm going to answer somebody else's prayers and help them out. Shit. But right now, you got to answer my prayer. You got to answer me. You got to answer my wish list. And this is my wish list. Santa Claus, this is my wish list. Now, you give me everything I ask you, bro, and then you'll be all right, all right?
I'm going to give you everything. Everything you desired, everything you just asked me for, is yours, Snaggerpuss. You get on stage. You take control of the crowd. It's yours.
Thank you, Santa Claus. I can't help. I can't thank you enough, man. When I'm going to start getting this shit?
When you start working.
When I'm going to start working?
The producer visitors will be calling you soon. You'll be getting calls from producers from every television network across Hollywood. Just be patient, Snaggerpuss. Just be patient. And all your answers will be answered. All of them.
For real, Santa Claus?
I'm not lying to you. Listen to me. If you listen to me, everything will be yours. The women love you. Fuck with the man thing. Fuck with the men thing. Fuck them on. Yeah. You gotta keep it real with the women. Keep it real with the ladies, and you go all the way to the top.
All right, Santa Claus. So I'm going to get this before Christmas or after? Or right on Christmas?
You will see.
Well, I'm going to see what Santa Claus talking about, y'all. And if he ain't talking about shit, I'll let y'all know on Christmas Day. But I think I'm going to be famous. He said it. Shit. You think so? I think so. Shit. One day I'm going to be famous. Shit. I think he said before Christmas. So any day now. Y'all better be looking out for me. Real soon.